In this video, I will show you how to make an animated GIF in Canva and how to save it as a video for social apps that don't allow GIFs. If you want to follow along, we will be using the Shine, Shine, Shine text found in Font Combos by clicking on Text. And we will be using the urban biking, woman riding bikes in forest photo that can be found by clicking on Photos and searching for the photo name. Let's start with the easiest task first, and that is removing the background from the photo. And we will just set that aside for now. If you do not have Canva Pro, you can go to remove.bg to remove backgrounds from any image. Now we'll move on to the text. We are going to deconstruct this font combo. So let's click on it and then click on Ungroup. I'm doing this because we are going to change what the text says and then layer it instead of using it stacked the way it is now. Since we chose a photo of a lady riding a bike, I will change the text to say, "Let's ride." From here, you can change the color of each text component and then arrange them so they overlap. At this point, I'm going to group the text again so I don't lose the position and can move it around and scale it. Next, we will place the bike rider. I'm going to start her in the back and end with her coming through each text layer. Now let's duplicate this page so we have 6 pages. And you can add more or less pages depending on your project. Now I don't usually add animation until the end, but just so you can see what we are working toward, I will add fade animation and set timing at 0.5 seconds. From here, you can customize each page to get the effect you want. Page 1, I will not make any changes. Page 2, I will ungroup the text and bring the rider forward once. And regroup. Page 3, I will ungroup the text and bring the rider forward twice. And regroup. Page 4, I will ungroup the text and bring the rider forward 3 times. And regroup. Now pages 5 and 6, we will bring the rider forward only and move her down slightly on each page. Let's see it in action. Last, you can download as an MP4 or as a GIF. Now, I suggest downloading as each since some platforms are not GIF friendly. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. And if you have a need for screencasting services for your website, application, or software, you will find a Life in General Productions information on the screen now and in the description area below.